My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's right, welcome back. I know it's been a while. This has been the project I've been working on for a couple weeks. Sorry I haven't had any updates. Really hard in the winter to get out on the bike and stuff when there's snow everywhere. The Jeep's been cooped up, been putting this bumper together, but I'm excited to show you guys. I went with the Motobilt Stubby bumper, but I do not like the way that they had certain things. I wanted the bull bar, but I don't like their bull bar bumpers, so I decided to just piece together a bunch of different stuff and make it my way. And with good help from my friend Cole Tomadakis and his AutoCAD skills and just his all-around fab skills. He's a freaking wizard, but he's been helping me and I'm excited to show you guys what we've come up with. Just getting it mocked up now, throwing the winch on to see how I like the fairlead mount. You have to use a universal fairlead mount, and I'm not sure I 100% like how far it sticks off. I wish it sat back behind the bumper, but I don't know. I've done a lot of work already, so I hate to make it not exactly how I want, but at the same time, I don't know how picky I need to be, but I've done a lot. So the bumper comes with, you can kind of see them, 2 holes in there. If you look up the Motobilt Stubby bumper, come with some holes there, holes there. They don't come with the bull bar. So I got this winch, the Warren Evo 12S. I'm really liking it. I know that 12,000 pounds is a bit much, but I got it for such a good deal, I couldn't pass it up. But you'll see here, my friend Cole custom made these gussets and designed them for me exactly how I wanted. I wanted kind of the circle design in there. Then he had them laser printed, super awesome, along with these light bar tabs. And he's been helping me fab this up. So I'm really excited. I think it's gonna look super clean. Just got to decide exactly what I want to do. I wish Motobilt would do a cleaner fairlead mount, but they're just pushing out the universal, make it work how you want, which is a little bit unfortunate, but I think it still looks clean. I'm gonna throw an LED light bar right here, like an angle down so it's not shining in everyone's eyes. But all in all, it's coming together really nice, and I cannot wait to get it put on. We'll get it painted here in a couple of days. It'll be painted and installed by the time this video drops, but this is where we're at with it. Been doing some trimming, but man, I think it's gonna turn out really nice. That's really what the Jeep is missing. You look at the whole thing, it's got the Motobilt bumper, poison spider fenders, nice Fox shocks, colored springs, the anti-rock, and then you get to the front and it's just kind of blah. So I'm excited to put this on, complete the look, and also super excited, you know, have the functions of the wing. So this stuff I don't make it up, you know, I can still get up. Got everything mocked up, and I will say she's ready for paint. I like the way it sits just like that. The light bar looks sick, fairlead looks decent, and the rest of it looks super awesome. So got to get her to paint. What's up, guys? As promised, sorry it's probably loud. As promised, we are gonna paint bumper today. I'm super excited. Got everything fab, super clean, and I'm so excited. We're in our favorite paint booth here. As you can tell, we spray a lot of blue. Not gonna tell you where it's at, but I'll show you the bumper right now. All hung up, ready for paint. Get it all off. Oh yeah.
see, mask is working great. My gosh. Well, anyway, everything's drying right now. Got the first coat of paint on it. What I'm doing is a self-etching primer, then a Rust-Oleum 2X primer paint, and then I'm gonna top it off with a quick light coat of the Rust-Oleum truck bed liner. I like that, textures it, matches the sliders, and it's very easy to touch up as we beat it up. You guys know we actually wheel this thing, so I'm touching up a lot. But yeah, really excited to see how it turns out. I'll keep you guys posted.
Got her almost all ready. Getting everything ready. Decided to paint this a little bit, get it looking better for the bumper, and we'll get it put on. Man, powder coat turned out sick. Teal behind the Motobilt logo. It was awesome. Again, we did a ton. So this is the Motobilt Stubby. It comes just basically the stubby. Usually has 3 holes right here. I didn't like the way they looked, and I wanted a bull bar. So this is the Barnes bull bar. These are some custom brackets, Cole Tomadakis AutoCAD'd and had lasered for me. And then my favorite part, I know it's so small, but I love these gussets right here. Cole AutoCAD them for me, had them laser printed. They just tie everything together. It looks so sick. Yeah, I got the light bar up in there, and everything works and is good to go. Light bar's connected to my fog lights, so everything is just super clean. You'll notice this is missing up there. That is because I just barely ordered the new Fox steering stabilizer, so it'll match the shocks. I had a rough country that someone had put a fake Fox sticker on it, so it was pretty trash. So I got a new one, and man, we are just a couple days away. So excited for Moab. Also, I'm gonna have hoodies, probably some hats. We'll do some hats this year at Jeep Safari. If you guys see me and you subscribe or you recognize us from Instagram, anywhere, just stop, say hi, tell me that you know that I've got some hoodies and some hats, and I will give you some. So thanks so much for all the support. Super excited to see how this thing does. See you later.